So, what are you up to? If I'm not wrong, you're here for learning how to make money online. And if that's the case, then you're present at the right place. Just in a while, I'll show you some methods with a few tricks by which you can fill your wallets or accounts with money. Are you excited? Actually, I am, because I enjoy helping those who love to do some productive work. I will show you how you can make money by just writing a few articles and some other content. The best thing is you don't need to be a professional writer or require any technological skills. You can earn without having a single penny in your pocket and without a so-called social media following. If you want to learn and earn, then watch the video till the very end, so you can learn some money-making strategies. A top-of-a-line strategy that is seldom discussed due to the complexity. But don't you worry guys, I will teach you. In addition, you will not require any special knowledge or skills to take the next step toward earning money online. With the use of a special Google technique, you can make at least these amounts daily. You must follow the instructions exactly if you want the approach to succeed. Therefore, stay focused and possibly take notes to become a productive and earn money online. But before we go any further, welcome to Money Girl, a place where we can help you define and learn the simplest ways to earn money. If you love to do such things, then this place is helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the notification icon, and last but not the least, comment and share. And queries can be asked in the comment section. Now let's get back to the video. Go to moneypantry.com to get started. Once you have done that, you will be sent to this website where you will find some money-making tips, money-saving tips, and freebies. We only wanted to show you that to give you some context so that you would understand how it is related to our current method. Now, in a new tab, let's go to moneypantry.com. Get paid to write. Make sure you spell it right because you will be redirected to another page. If you don't, now you'll notice on the other page that you can get paid to write by using the websites listed on this platform, which will pay you a lot of money for each blog post that you create. Isn't that awesome? Furthermore, if we scroll down, there are several writing jobs to apply for as well as wide variety of topics to read about this video. We'd want you to click on this button right here that you can find over here. Continue watching the videos to keep track of the methods, steps to complete following your selection. You will send to a page of writer's guidelines where you will discover all of the information that you need to know about what to write about for the content of the blog posts. You write to be in the line with this. When it comes to writing your article, the steps are simple. You must first access what is writing workshop will take for you. Then do research. Read a little about the topic and maybe look up for articles on the same subject. Copy it and send it to thespinbot.com to be edited so that it appears as if you wrote it yourself. Apart from what we have given you, you may want to check out the other links since, as you may know, it's easy to get on there and find whatever it is that interests you. Because the more interested you are in the issue, the more you will have to write about it, and the better your output will be. Some job listings pay the article while others pay by a specific task. Imagine taking all of these tasks, working hard on all of them, and then making a fortune as a result of all of your efforts. It's as straightforward as that. Using the method that we just showed you, you don't even need to look for jobs just like this on Google because everything is already in here. So that is one last task for you. So make sure to read all the directions carefully since it will save you a lot of time and a lot of energy. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now moving back to the video. We will give you another bonus tip on how to produce outstanding articles. If you stay with us until the very end of today's video, we'd like you to go to Quora.com, since this will be a primary source of all the information that you'll utilize in the articles that you will be writing and submitting. You can log in using your Google on your Facebook accounts, or you can create a new account right now if you don't already have one. You may just log in if you have such an account. Pro tip: you don't need to create an account because all that you will be doing over here is searching for the information that you need. You can search for all the information you need regarding any subject you want to discuss, and I guarantee you that Quora is amazing. You may find information for your articles on this website, copy it, and then go to spinbot.com to have the entire thing paraphrased or reconstructed so that it appears as if you wrote it yourself. This means that you won't have any copyright issues. You may also use this to search for articles on your topic. In the search box right here, So this is the method's overall concept, but to make things easier, you will need to go to Quora to give you the context of each post you write by simply searching for it. On the Quora website, you can even get specifics on whatever it is that you're curious about. I'm pretty sure Quora already has it all. But here's a tip. Paraphrase everything so you don't have to worry about copyright issues or plagiarism. Now let's open Google Docs. This is where we will enter or upload our articles to fix any grammar and spelling issues, as well as word misplacement, making the entire authoring process easier. Because you will not have to edit anything, Google Docs will do it for you. This is 100% free service, so make use of these free online workstations as they may be able to assist you in more ways than you may realize. Open a new blank document in Google Docs and begin organizing your articles here. Also, rather than copying a complete articles, you can start from the beginning with Google Docs. Instead of typing it in, you may voice it. Here's how you'll get about it from the Tools menu. As displayed at the top, select Voice Typing. As a result, you will speak into your computer and Google Docs will automatically copy and write it down for you. If you're feeling lazy, you can just watch a movie and Google Docs will automatically write it down for you. If you want to move on, write for a website called listfirst.com, which is another wonderful way to get additional money. There are a top 10 list of everything on this platform. Top 10 everything. Top 10 ways to make money, top 10 ways to reduce weight, and top 10 ways to get girlfriends. So what are you going to do is register on this website and be a writer. After that, you just repeat the method by searching for the top 10 something in Quora. After finding an article in Quora regarding the top 10 that you want, you can just go to Spinbot and paraphrase it there, or paraphrase it yourself. After that, you go to Google Docs to check on the grammar and spelling. And after those are done, you can then submit your articles and then earn cash. It's easy as that. Overall, this is a great method of newbies to make money online. Imagine by copying and pasting articles, you can earn a significant amount of money. That says something. When you work smart with your time, you'll surely make the most money in my opinion. That's called investing your time in the right money-making method, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.